Hi, my name is Ronnie Ross. I'm the Maintenance Supervisor and I work downtown at the main library. I enjoy working here just because it's a great chance to be involved in your community, and I enjoy being able to help people and fix things. Fixing things is that's my job, so that's what I enjoy. Being with the group of guys that are working under me, getting them situated for their day and sending them out and assisting them with whatever they have. This is a great place to work. Your benefit package alone is self-explanatory as to why to work here. The environment's a good environment. Within our department, personally, we have a good group of guys who are devoted to helping each other and getting our job done.